morning. Welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. So here we are going to see one Canadian mathematics Olympiad from year 1996. So here some logic is there. That's why this problem is selected. So find all the real solutions to the system of equations 4x square by 4x square plus 1 is equal to y, 4y square by 4y square plus 1 equal to z, 4z square by 4z square plus 1 equal to x. Those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. Like this Olympiad logical and critical problems and the tough problems will be uploaded from this channel. Your subscription is important. So pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you solve this problem or not? If not, you can continue the video. So here we are going to the solution. Let's start the problem. So let first of all observe what is there. Let us observe the function. Let us observe the function. So here all are having the same function. So here if you take the domain f maps 0 to infinity, and you are getting the range also 0 to infinity. So if you take f of t, f of t is equal to 4t square by 4t square plus 1 is strictly increasing function. So it is a strictly increasing function. So here the two cases will arise. So hence the two cases will arise. So what is the first case? Okay, case 1 now. So here if x is less than y, if x is less than y, then f of x will be less than f of y. F of x will be less than f of y. So here y is less than z. Y is less than z. On repeating this argument, repeating this, we get z is less than x. Z is less than x. So from this you can write x is less than y less than z less than x, which is impossible. Which is impossible. Okay, it is not possible. Now if you take case 2. So what is the case 2 here? If x is greater than y. If x is greater than y. So it already leads to contradiction. So here x cannot be greater than y. So there is only one chance of x, the value x should be equal to y should be equal to z. So x cannot be greater than y, x cannot be less than y. X should be equal to y, y should be equal to z. Now by solving is any other condition is there. 4t square by 4t square plus 1 minus t equal to 0. So here all you are taking as a t. So what will get here? 4t square minus t into 4t square plus 1 equal to 0. So here you are checking whether we are having any other roots, or t is equal to, we are taking t common, 4t square minus 4t plus 1 equal to 0. Here we are taking minus t common in both. So t is equal to 0. T equal to 0 or so this can be written as a 2t minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So this can be written as 2t minus 1 equal to 0. T is equal to 1 by 2. So hence the only triples that satisfy the system hence only the triple that satisfy the system we are 0 0 0 and 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2. I hope you understood the problem. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. Thank you once again.